Hello friends, today we are going to make butter chicken using Wow Premix masala. Before we begin with the making of the butter chicken, I would like to say a few things about Wow Premix masala. This is a vegetarian product whereby you can make veg and non-vegetarian dishes. With this butter chicken masala also you can make paneer, butter corn, mixed vegetable, and trust me, even only potatoes made following the same procedure of butter chicken is going to taste awesome. Soon I feel Wow Premix Masala is going to be one of the favorite products and must have products of every kitchen. There are more than one reason for me to say so. The primary reason, the most important reason is Wow Premix does not add any preservatives. No added flavors, no food colors. And that's something very rare to find in packed food, in premix. The second reason is the authentic taste that it provides. Trust me, friends, every time we make a video to show it to you, every time we cook a dish using Wow Premix, the aroma is filled in our studio, our kitchen. We just wait for the dish to be cooked to grab it. Trust me, I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying, but someday if you buy Wow Premix and make it at home, you will definitely remember these words of mine. So, without delaying, let's begin to make. This is the chicken marinated with the same masala, the premix masala. You just have to take a portion of the masala and mix it with the chicken and leave it for a couple of hours or overnight. That's your choice. Now we need to take a pan, add some oil. I already added the oil in it, and butter. Since it is butter chicken, we need to add the butter. Wait for it to melt, the butter. You don't have to add much because butter is already added in the masala, the premix masala. This is to fry the chicken. Yeah, the butter is almost melted. I'm going to add in the chicken pieces into this. This is half kg of chicken, thin slice, marinated. We have marinated overnight. Now we need to toss them and fry them in this butter and oil mixture. Now we fried the chicken, now removed from the pan, and now we are adding in the premix butter chicken premix. Now we are adding in the fried chicken. Give it a mix. You can see the nice creamy texture. It's so simple. It hardly takes 10 minutes to make butter chicken. Generally, butter chicken is one of the most ordered favorite food of people when they visit restaurants. Now it's so easy to make it at home and enjoy. Finally, no garnishing. Yeah, garnish it with some cream. That's your choice. The butter chicken masala is ready. It hardly took 10 minutes for us to prepare this. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe. If you want to order for this masala, I'm afraid right now it's available only in the city of Mysore. You can go to the description box and place your order. It will be delivered to your home. This butter chicken masala does not consist of any preservatives, food colors, or any added flavors. It's made with pure vegetables only and dry fruit. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you will make this lovely, delicious butter chicken and share your comments. Thank you. Take care.